Farm Fresh Bites. My name is Maya, and today I'm here with Chard, and we're going to be making a curried chickpea with some pita bread. And stay tuned through the whole video to listen to this week's code word you can use at farm stands on Saturday. We're going to get started.
First, remove leaves from kale stem. Then chop into fine pieces and add to a bowl. Next, you're gonna chop up potatoes into small dice. Then you're gonna chop up onions into a small dice. After, cut up your oregano. Let your pan heat up, then add some oil. Next, you're gonna add your onions and some spices. Black pepper, curry powder, cumin, salt, and add your tomato paste. Now you're gonna add your kale. Next, you're gonna add your potatoes and then water. Next, you're gonna add coconut milk. Then add chickpeas and let them cook for 20 minutes. Now you are ready to enjoy.